Welcome, sir. I am Saswakatia from first standard. Many living things all live in the sea, like fish, crab, turtles, seahorse, like dolphin, shark, starfish, jellyfish. Thank you. Racing animal to produce and other material. Thank you. Ma'am, my name is Shalini from first standard in Boris School. My topic name is healthy food. Unhealthy food. Healthy fruit and fruits and vegetables and nuts. Nuts kapra unhealthy foods. Biscuit, donut and biscuit cupcake cake. Next, burger, jelly, chocolate, lace. Thank you. Ma'am, my name is Samyuta. I am studying in first standard. My topic name is rice. Capture the light and convert to images. As the function is the light and convert to images as sight. Thank you. My name is Haryani. My friend is first standard in Boris School. My topic name is lungs. Lungs is a small cavity. Lungs is a small cavity.
Ma.
Thank you. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. My name is K. Srinivas. I am studying first standard. My topic name is shape park. This is a shape park. The shape park is made by many shapes. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. We are regularly to play good health. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. My name is Jeeva Sudan. I'm studying on first standard. My topic name is community helpers, nurse, farmer, sleeper, carrier, milkman, postman, fire engineman, policeman, teacher. Thank you. My name is Akshita Sai from first standard in Boys School. My topic name is mode of transport. 3 types of transport. Land transport, car, bus, cycle. Air transport, aeroplane, helicopter, jet. Water transport, ship, boat. Truck transport, train. Thank you, sir. R. Mitleshwaran. I'm studying a first standard. I'll talk with you is opposite word. Happy, sad, hot, cold, seen, daddy, hat, B S accuracy crazy. You. Welcome, ma'am. I am. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. I am Sayashan. I am first standard. My top name is Mode of Transport. Bike, ambulance, car, bus, land transport, water transport, air transport. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Madhimaran. I'm studying in first standard. My topic name is Animal Farmhouse, Goat Shed, Dog Kennel, Fast, Goat, Duck, Pond, Shen, Coop. Thank you. My name is Jay Gowda from first standard in Ball School. My top name is Ventimill mechanical energy. The plate rotates in a clockwise direction. Thank you. My name is T. Deswant. I'm from first standard in Body School. Our topic name is preposition. The ball is under the table. The ball is behind the rock. The ball is in the basket. The ball is on the chair. The ball is between the trees. The ball is over the trees. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Shambhishwan in Bharati School. My topic name is forest. Lion, tiger, elephant, deer, bats, giraffe. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is K. Sai Praveen. I'm from first standard in Bharati School. My topic name is natural disaster. Natural disaster, earthquake, dog, frog, wildfire. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Welcome. My name is Hirmala. I first standard. My topic name is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis may sunlight. Title, ma'am. Thanks, sir. I am Clevin. I study in first standard. Topic name is satellite communications and that's from signal between Earth and space using satellite. Thank you. My name is Sunesh Vasai. My project name is natural farming. Natural farming is processing, then we get fresh fruits and vegetables. My farm. Thank you. Matthias T. First standard. My topic name brain. The brain is the boss of our body. It helps us think, learn, and remember. The brain controls our movements. It helps us feel happy, sad, or excited. The brain works even when we sleep. It sends message to the poor body. Eating healthy food keeps the brain strong. Exercise and sleep help the work better. The brain has two sides, left and right. Protecting our head keeps the brain safe. Brain parts: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, insular limbic lobe. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Vedas. I'm sitting on first standard. My topic name is Early Man. The early man is a lived in forest cave. The hunted animal eat the first meat. The web is agriculture, fishing, potting, yelling, seeing. Thank you. Welcome. I am Maran Office. I am first standard. I my topic name is sensor organs. Sensor organs is eyes, nose, tongue, ear, hair, tongue, seen, eyes to see, tongue, nose, smell, tongue, taste, ear, hear, skin, touch. Thank you, sir. My name is Kodanlal. I am studying first standard. My topic name is Smart City. This is a smart city. Smart city have school, hospital, college, compartment. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Karishma. I'm studying in bus standard. My topic name is National Leaders. Topic name is National Leaders. Topic name is National Leaders. Jawaharlal Nehru, Medicine, Manu Mitchell, Mangal Pandey, Begum Asam. Thank you. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. My name is Manit. I studying at Patandar. My topic name is Distar. Unit of breath. Unit of breath. Eat. Youth. Medical. Wood. Paper. Thank you. Sir, madam, I am on Moodle studying first standard. My topic is addition table. Comparing two or more number. Exam number 2 plus 5 equal to 5. Thank you.
Okay, how many of them? 2 plus 3 is equal to?
5. Thank you. Sir, my name is Ipsa. My studying in first standard. Eating the healthy food helps our body to grow strong. Exercise and play regularly, stay strong. Sleep and rest helps our body. My name is V. Arivarsam from first standard in Barili School. My topic name is first egg bugs, cotton and scissor, tablet, soap, injection, ointment, tablet. Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Yashashka Dishti. I am studying first standard. My topic name lunar eclipse, solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between Earth and the sun. A lunar eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when the moon causing the moon to be darkened. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Harshika from first standard in Bhavati School. My topic name is day or night. Day, sun, sky, crow, earth. Night, moon, star, house, earth. Thank you. My name is Aljana. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. My name is Aljana. I study first standard in border school. My topic name is vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is the electric machine in household appliance in clean and dust. Thank you. My name is Ritik Varshan. My topic is
Sir.
computer parts. CPU, monitor, CPU, mouse, mouse, keyboard, CPU, monitor. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Ludirari Dhoni. I am studying first standard in Badari School. My topic name is parts of a plant. 5 parts of a plant: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Root or pleasant under and ground. Stem, plant for water and nutrients. Leaf, make food for the plant. Food is formed in flower. Fruit help plant to reproduce. Thank you. Welcome, sir. My name is Josie. I am from first standard in Bhavati School. My topic name is solar power irrigation system. The system uses the power of sunlight through solar panel. The system converts sunlight into electrical energy. This electrical energy used for get work used to get water from reservoirs. For agriculture, wheat, where crops on grown. Where agriculture, wheat, where crops on grown. Where, where, where agriculture field, house, whole purpose also. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir. I am my Yashwant. I am name is first standard.
சொல்லு.
Useful things. Sugar, sugar, rubber, paper, thank you. My name is Monica. I am first standard. I study in Bharati School. My topic name is fire alarm. I is at thank you, sir. Welcome. My name is Tanushri from first standard in Bharati School. My topic name is pasta party. Eyes, nose, ear, lip, tongue. Thank you. Welcome, ma'am. My name is Bhushan from first standard in Bharati School. My topic name is source of water, rain, river, pond, ocean, lake, hand pump, well, tap, waterfalls. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir. My name is Kargiti from first standard in Bharati School. My topic name is agricultural. Agriculture is the important our country. Farmer is the important president. We eat rice, wheat, fruit and vegetable from agricultural. Water, soil, sunlight, help plant grow. Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Mithuna. I studying first standard. I am Bharati School. Topic name is ecosystem. Pond. Area. Fresh water. Ecosystem. Mat. Mat. Thank you. My name is Amita Vashni. I am first standard in boys school. My topic name is living things and non-things. Things are can move one to other. One the
Or format.
Doctor name is state capital. My name is Esmeralda. You can ask me in the random manner.
பேர் ம்